What's going on, world? I'm coming to you today. Nothing to do with crypto. No, that's my cheese, girl. However, I'm showing you something that's delicious. Deliciously good. It is what I call a spaghetti grilled cheese. This little girl wants her mac and cheese. Mac and cheese! Okay, so what we have, I already started it. We have bread, cheese, some warm spaghetti already, leftover spaghetti. And we're gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich out of it. Another one. Another piece of bread. And we'll come back when it's done. All right, we're done. Now we're gonna cut into this delicious sandwich. And I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. Here we got our grilled cheese. Ari, hold on, baby. Look at that. Oh yeah, grilled cheese with spaghetti inside of it. Go make yourself one because it's delicious. The underside's a little burnt, but it's still good.